And good evening, everyone. Uncle Sam is sending money to Western New York. President Biden has now declared that December blizzard that paralyzed Buffalo a major federal disaster.
News 4's Sarah Minkowitz looks at how this will benefit our community, including families who lost loved ones during the storm. Sarah?
Don and Jackie, declaring the blizzard a major disaster unlocks federal funding for families who lost loved ones. Now, the government announced that it would cover funeral expenses by 75%. For one family, this is the difference between being in debt or not. Kathy Lassiter and her sister Yvonne lost their mother, Doris Williams, during the December blizzard. Their 91-year-old mother lived at the Lyndon B. Johnson Apartments, which lost power during the storm. They say Williams froze to death inside her apartment. The family charged a lot of the funeral expenses on credit cards, and they say the government funds will help them avoid debt. But they're still grieving, and they miss their mom, who they say had a kind and sweet personality.
We're hurting, we're really hurting because of the devastating way that she died. I found her in her apartment frozen, by the door, and it was very devastating to me, and I'm just going through a slower process of healing.
Now, the federal funding will also help state and local governments. Buffalo Mayor Byron Brown says more than $10 million was spent during the December blizzard. That money was used toward rescue efforts for snow plowing and snow removal. Brown says this will be a relief on taxpayers, and the funds will come from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. In the studio, Sarah Minkowitz, News 4.
Thank you, Sarah.